You've been asking how cold the water in the tub can get with this TECKWAVE TW-30 chiller. So I thought I'd do a test. Normally I run my chiller at 6 or 7 degrees, but this morning I turned it down to 3 degrees. As you can see here, this number shows the setting temperature, and this one shows the actual water temperature leaving the chiller. Here on the panel you can obviously switch it on and off. You see the flow rate, you can change and adjust a bunch of settings, including the amount of ozone that is produced, and which basically dissolve in the water to kill the bacteria. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a thermometer and measure the actual water temperature here. So here we go. Well, the thermometer is showing 2.6. So as long as it is below 3, I'm happy. In fact, the chiller can take the water even to 0, but the company has basically restricted it to 3, because anything below 3 can basically create a risk of freezing the water in the system. So 3 really should be the minimum that any chiller should go to, and below that it should stop freezing. The system is really simple. So it's basically 2 hoses that are hand tightened here, go to inlet and outlet of the tub, and that's it. So you basically fill up the tub with air, you pour water in here and switch on the chiller, and that's it. And here you can see the filter. I don't need to change my filter very often. I take shower before going in. This probably I haven't replaced the water in my tub for about 5 months, and I have replaced my filter only once. The best indicator for when to change the filter is really this flow rate. Normally when the filter is super clean and the water is clean, it's around 19 to 20 liters per minute. When the filter gets dirty, it comes down this flow rate, and I think when it reaches to 16, you should really change the filter. Now also you've been asking about the TECKWAVE app, so I'm going to just show you. So I've been asking what it does. Basically here on the app you can do quite a bit of things. So the chiller connects to your Wi-Fi, and you can control the chiller from anywhere, from outside, from your place of work. You can always switch it on and off. You can see the flow rate. You can adjust the temperature, and also you can adjust the ozone, amount of ozone that is basically injected in the water. But the best thing that I like about the app is the timer. So normally I run my chiller about 3 hours a day. My chiller switches on at 3 in the PM, and then switches off 6 in the PM, and basically by the time I get home the water is exactly at 6 degrees for me. So 2 to 3 hours of a day running the chiller is normally sufficient to get the water to the previous temperature, basically the temperature that the chiller was the day before. So if you have any other questions, you can just comment in the comment section. So I will answer, or I can make another video if more detail is needed. So feel free to ask your questions there. Thank you.